Hi, I want to show you today how to create your first package and how to publish it in in GitHub, so you can share it with all your friends or with all your collaborators, and the world can use your package. Of course, you need to have the R software. I'm using here the R.02 version. You need to have RStudio. It's better to have, of course, the latest version. Usually, it comes with everything. I mean, you check that the DevTools and or Oxygen tool are installed in your list of packages, and of course, you need a GitHub account. So for the GitHub account, you may have the free account where your folders are all public, or the professional account where you can have private folders. Okay, let's start that. So first, I will need to have the open my RStudio, and I'm gonna to start with new project, new directory, R package, and I will call it rpack. Okay, so make sure that the create Git repository is checked. So my package is under document packages. So if I have already some source files, I can add them. This is, but I'm not doing this anymore. And then no, not now. And this is, I have created package. Okay. So my package is great. So if I go to the folder packages, you can see here our package here, and all these packages are here, or these folders are here. Sorry. So my package is built. Actually, I have just to try to install it and to review it. So it looks like fine. There's no problem. If I go to the list of the packages, so our pack, sorry, it names it's here. So my package is fine. So now I want to share this package with my collaborator, with the world, and I want them to use my package. So I need then a GitHub. So I go to my GitHub account. You have already signed it up in a GitHub, and I will go to new repository here to create a new repository. So it's coming. So I give, of course, the name of the same name of my GitHub rpack. Okay, so the name is available. I go there and I don't check anything here. Okay, so just either keep it public or private. I told you according to your status on GitHub. Okay, so I create this package. So create repository is coming up. So I have all the instruction here, how to tell my computer that I have created a repository on GitHub, and then how I can use it from RStudio. So let's go back to the RStudio. So from RStudio on the tab set Git, I will go to shell. Okay. So it tells me, so I have two terminal open, so I have to start it first by initiating my Git. So it's initial, and I have to first do a first add. Okay. Then I have to start a new commit. So I'm not adding a readme. So I have to start my commit. So git come. So you will see here everything will be just copied and pasted in the text. There's some commands on the GitHub account. So the text between quotations is you have to write it, and this is shows like this is your first commit, and you can of course change it if you don't like. So it looks like, oh, okay, look how it tells me that I created all the files that were in my that are in my rpack. So it looks good. Now I have to so go to tell the Git that RStudio that here the address of my GitHub repository is fine. Now I have to create the branch. Okay, and now I have to send everything to the GitHub with a push command. Okay, So here all files are uploaded to my GitHub repository. So I have to wait a little bit. Now that we don't have that much, so almost done. So everything is done, 100%. So look at here. If I refresh my page, you can see that suddenly on the files on the Airpack package on my local computer are there now. They're on my GitHub. Excellent. So everything looks perfect now. So let's say now I want to change my file. So I'm working on my package and I'm adding here something x square. Okay, excellent. So I save this. Look at this, and I viewed and restarted. So it looks perfect. Let me try hello function. Hello 3. Excellent. This is 9. Okay. So I have started. So now I want to tell the GitHub I have made these changes. So I have to check and commit. So check it, commit. I put this is version 0. Let's say this is, I have started my version 0, so it's committed. It's excellent. Close. And I have to push it on my GitHub account. Okay. It's done. So let's go back to the GitHub. So let me see the hello function has been changed or not. Excellent. It's excellent. So let's say now I'm done. I finish it. I want to let the world use my package, and I want them to install it. So just do that. So I have to DevTools GitHub install. Sorry. GitHub, and I will do so. Remember, my username Lush, and the name of the package is up. Okay. So we have the bit. It looks like downloading from Github, downloaded from GitHub repository. So it's coming. It's coming. Oh, it's testing. Everything is all set. And again, here my Airpack. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Just push a like on my channel. Thank you.